Hey everybody, and how's it going on, and welcome to Tutorials Hub. In this video we will be talking about how to turn off seatbelts alarm in 2023 Ford F150. Now, turning off your seatbelt alarm is not recommended, but here are some steps that you can simply follow to do so. Alright, so the driver and the front passenger's warnings switch off independently when you perform this procedure. For one setting position, do not buckle the other position, as this cancels the process. Another thing to note, if you are using my key, you cannot disable the seatbelt reminder. Also, if the seatbelt reminder has been previously disabled, it will re-enabled during the use of my key. So you're going to be going through steps from 1 to 4. Now the parking brake is set, the transmission is in parking, and the ignition should be off. The driver and the front passenger seat belts are unfastened. Switch on the ignition, do not start the engine. Wait about a minute until the seatbelt warning light switches off. After step 2, wait an additional 5 seconds before proceeding with the step 3. Once you start step 3, you must complete the procedure with 30 seconds. For the seating position, you are switching off buckle, then unbuckle the seatbelt 3 times at a moderate speed, ending in the unblocking state. After step 3, the seatbelt warning light switches on. When the seatbelt warning light is on, buckle, then unblock the seatbelt. After step 4, the seatbelt warning light flashes for confirmation. The switches for the feature off that seating position if it is currently on. This switches the features on that sitting position if it is currently off. So that's a pretty simple process, and I really hope you found the story helpful, and thank you so much for watching.